ስላለ ወፎቹም እንዳይጠፉብልን ውስጥ ጌሙን ለምን አንጫወትም ማለት ገብተናል። All right, so what are we doing, guys?
We are doing a taste challenge of jelly beans.
Jelly beans.
Yep.
We're doing it. We're tasting jelly beans. ይሄ የመቅመስ ነው የjelly beans መቅመስ ማለት ነው። ሁላችንም ጄሊ ቢንሱን ቼክ ቴስት በማድረግ እስቲ እንግዲህ አብራችን ቆዩ ምን አይነት ቴስት ይኖረዋል። Okay, you guys ready?
Were you opening one?
Yeah.
Okay.
We all have one, yeah.
Dirty socks, so you might have 2 dirty socks.
Okay.
Your favorite color.
Okay, Daddy's gonna read the flavor and we'll do it.
No, not in the flavor.
Oh, no?
No.
So how are we gonna know?
We try them.
Oh, God. Okay, we're not reading. We're just gonna try and tell what it is. Okay, what color? What
Okay,
color?
Let's go first.
I think it's
What color?
good.
Yellow?
You picked the yellow with polka dots, I think?
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna have to.
What flavor is it?
Tastes like rotten milk.
I think it was a booger.
Oh no!
Yeah, I know.
My turn.
Let me see it. Let me see it. Okay, go ahead. That one's a good one.
Good.
What is
Oh, it's a good one? What flavor is that?
And these like blueberry.
Good job. It's blueberry.
Good job. I'm nervous.
No, it's Daddy's turn.
Shallow.
It's Daddy's turn.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do this one. It's pink with blue spots. Oh, red spots. Blue and red spots.
And pink. And pink.
It doesn't have any smell.
Eat it. Eat it.
What is it?
Bubblegum?
Now,
Okay.
mommy. Now, mommy.
My turn. I love red, so I'm gonna go with
Tutti
red.
fruity, it says.
Tutti frutti.
I'm gonna go with
I
red.
think that's good. I think it's eat it. Eat it. I think it's too cinnamon. It's bad cinnamon. What is it?
Good job. It's cinnamon. Karafa.
My turn.
Yeah,
My
karafa,
turn. No,
maybe.
it's my turn.
Bob's turn.
I hope
What
that's
color is it? Is
like
pink?
purple or so.
Pink or purple?
Can you sit
It's
so
bad.
they can see you?
It's bad?
What does it taste like? Can you sit so they can see your face expression?
Oh,
What is it?
maybe. Worm?
Like ham.
ያኛው ደግሞ እንትን ወርም ነው። ይሄ መሬት ላይ የሚገኙ ትላትሎቹ የሉም ከአፈር ስር የምናገኛቸው።
Oh, I got a worm. My turn.
Okay.
I got 2 bad ones, people. This one with red.
That's the one I just had.
What's both of them?
ብዙ አይነት ነው ያለው እዚህ ጋር 1 2 3 4
What is it?
5 6 7
It's
8
Boba.
10
Yeah.
11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18
Me and Dad have bubblegum.
Oh,
I'm going with
nice.
green.
21 21 ናቸው። እስቲ what daddy got?
What is it?
It's not bad. I don't know what it is though.
Lemonade. Apple fruit.
Watermelon, maybe? I don't know.
Grass?
Your turn. Bad syrup.
I can't read it.
Oh, green apple?
Oh.
Maybe
You got
green
green
apple or what's
Maybe.
the one before it? I can't read
Okay.
it.
I think I'm gonna try it. The
Blue.
light blue. It looks like samayawi, light samayawi.
I got light blue.
It doesn't taste like anything.
I got light blue too. What is it? What is it?
Soap.
Yeah, soap.
Sabuna.
My turn. It's soap. I get it. My turn. No, it's my turn.
It's fine, chill.
አፌ በቃ ሰማ.
Grass.
Grass?
You got grass? That's good.
There's grass?
Grass is good, yeah.
Oh, there's grass, yeah.
Grass, ሳር የኔ ሳሙና የሱ
No. I think it's wine grass.
እስቲ heavily what color? Blue.
That's the one you just had.
Chew.
Soap.
No? Chew.
Yeah, that's what
No. I don't have this.
Smells like soap too.
This is soap.
Yeah.
Yeah, it smells like soap.
Soap.
I'm gonna try the soap one when it's my turn.
Okay, Daddy's turn.
I'll try the soap then too.
Okay.
Do I get a prize if I eat it?
Do you get a pie? Yes.
Prize.
Oh. Extra slice pie. You eating it? The soup?
edible. It's not
It
really
is
soap.
edible. I know it's not. ሁሉም ነገር real soap አይደለም, real grass አይደለም። የሚበላ ከረሜላ ነው ግን እንደዛ ነው የሚለው ቴስቱ። እኔ ግን መብራታቸው አቁም. I can't eat it. Okay, Cleo, you ready? Daddy ate it. You should eat it.
It's not that bad.
Yeah.
No, I can't eat soap. I feel soap ነው የሚለው.
What does it smell like?
Okay, she's doing white.
No, it's Mom's turn.
What?
Baba just did.
Yeah, but we skipped you.
Okay.
Because we're
Okay, I think I'm gonna try this cream lightish and kind of has a yellow.
What is it?
I can't smell anything. Oh, God. What is it?
Rotten egg.
Oh.
She was gonna eat it.
I can't tell.
It was rotten egg.
Oh, somebody else is gonna have the rotten egg.
So, you know, like when you chew and then you get watery, when I was about to swallow it, it's just like, it's almost making me garlic.
It's good.
What is it, Bob?
I think cinnamon.
Cinnamon, okay. Heavily. The white one? Okay.
Uh-oh.
You gotta chew, taste it, and chew. Can you tell what it is?
I think the same as Mom.
It's bubble gum.
No.
What is it?
I can't tell.
I think it was earwax.
Oh!
It tastes like earwax.
You did it?
ከጆሮችን የሚወጣው.
You know what that tastes like, huh?
Tastes disgusting. I don't know what it is.
She's like, I don't know what it is. Okay, Daddy's turn.
I guess like I'll go with the rotten egg.
You gonna eat it? Daddy's gonna eat everything.
Oh, that's bad.
I know. Oh my God.
I was gonna eat it, but that's bad.
ሊበላው ነበር ባድ ነው አለ.
I don't have the rotten egg.
Let's go with green and yellow, our favorite color. I'm gonna go green first. Ooh,
It's bad.
it's kind of dark green.
It's still there.
I know, the egg is still የእንቁላሉ እዚህ ጋር.
Guys, the egg is in my teeth.
You didn't even have the egg. You gave it to me.
I can't tell, but it's good.
What is it?
It's dark green.
It was either green or grass or green apple, I think.
Well, it might be green apple. አረንጓዴ apple ነው.
I'm gonna go
ጣፍጦኛል በልቼዋለሁ.
with this.
Light green, okay.
That's the one Mom just said.
What is it?
Tell him, what is it?
I don't know.
Good or bad?
Good.
That's good, okay.
Go ahead.
Have. Go heavy. Go heavy. Pink,
No,
pink,
this one, this
pink.
one.
No, she got it. Pink? You haven't chewed yet, yeah. I think I'm gonna do pink next.
Yeah, that's good.
Good.
Watermelon maybe?
Pink watermelon? I only got 3 so
Strawberry?
far. I don't know.
Raspberry? No?
Whoa.
Easy, Baba. This is to spit.
Yeah, I want to see how many you did.
I did
Why you
like
spit it?
2 of them.
I gotta get this egg out of my mouth. I'm gonna eat, hopefully, a
Green.
good green.
Red apple.
Daddy he ate 1 bad? Yeah. I couldn't do the bad one.
What is it?
She just tooted on me.
Heavily did that. Toot, toot, toot.
What is it? What is it?
Stinky.
Okay, is it my turn?
She tooted on me.
Oh.
Is it
That's
my
mine.
turn?
Those are mine.
I was getting.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna do orange and red polka dots. Okay. Where is it? Spicy?
Wait, just wait.
What is it?
It's throw up!
Oh God!
My turn.
ይሄ የሚያስመልሳችሁን ነው የሚለው።
I'll do it if you do it. You at the same
God.
time. Wait.
Like the
We'll do it all at the same
juicy
time.
part.
Ready? 1,
What?
2, 3, go.
The orange with the polka dots?
I need. That was horrible, huh?
Are you eating it?
It's not like kind of gross. That was real bad.
Oh my god, በጣም ነው የሚያስጠላው። ይሄ ካስመለሳችሁ በኋላ እንትን የሚለው ይመስላችኋል። እንደዛ ነው። በጣም ነው የሚያስጠላው።
It's your
Okay,
turn.
my turn again?
Yeah, we just all did throw up.
Okay, I am gonna do, let's see. Let's do this kinda cloudy pink with a little polka dot, green polka dot.
That actually
What is
tastes
it?
kind of. No, not orange.
Okay.
Just orange.
Tell you, wow, I'm impressed. I'm impressed that you
I'm
took
not
the
impressed.
drop.
I'm concerned.
You are?
I just got another bad one.
What is
I
it?
couldn't even, oh man.
What did Hev have?
I can smell it.
Oh, you can smell it? What is it?
She's like, I can smell him.
I can't read. My eyes are gone.
The pink one?
No, it was red for me.
Red or orange?
Red. No.
Oh.
Orange. He ate orange.
Yeah, I don't know.
It looks like that.
What color you have, Hev? Let me see.
Wait.
Red?
There is another one. Not throw up one, but
Wait. Eat it. Where's the
okay.
green?
Yeah, eat it.
Eat it.
Okay, Baba's turn.
He went. He just ate something.
Don't get it.
I didn't throw up. Ow!
Strawberry? This one.
It's cinnamon.
Yep. So
Oh, nice.
Cinnamon.
Okay.
It says stomach.
vomit.
Okay.
Tongue.
I don't think so.
It's my tongue.
Spots?
It's by my tongue. I need water.
የቀረፈውን አቃጠለኝ እያለች ነው።
I never drink water. I'm the winner.
I'm going with green with spots. I know what it is, but I just want to get it out of the way. And it comes from here.
Oh!
Boogers.
አረንጓዴ ሆኖ እንደዚህ ዳፍዳፋ ንፍጥ ይሄ እዚህ ጋር ንፍጣችን ሲደርቅ ብጉር ይሉታል። እሱን ነው። Oh, you're eating it?
No, that wasn't like boogers. That was like spicy or something.
You ate it?
No.
Okay.
So far I'm the winner.
I just picked a green one to
Okay.
get the flavor out
My
of my
turn.
mouth.
This one said, look, brown with the black polka dots.
So far I'm winning, right,
The
Dad?
brown one.
Dad,
Okay.
I'm gonna eat a blue one. Dad, so far I'm winning. So far I'm winning.
I don't know how you determine who wins.
I won. This comes from here.
I don't know what you got.
Oh! Oh! I love this. After, dirt.
You loved her.
I love it. After, በልጅነታችን ይሄ
Dirt?
አፈር ሲሸጥ ደስ የሚለኝ ነው።
It's
I-
awful.
አፈር.
I'm gonna eat another one.
Of what?
I
what
love
is
this one.
Blue?
ልጅነቴን
Yeah,
አስታወሰኝ.
I'm eating it white. I love this. I'm gonna eat this.
Okay.
Soap.
Khalil's doing white one
I think he
No,
just did
blue.
soap again.
again. Okay, I think this is all the same.
No, there's some we haven't done.
I'll try this blue
Oh, hold on. Oh.
Play-Doh.
It's not bad. She doesn't need to spit.
What
Keep
is it?
chewing, you'll figure it out.
What is it?
Don't tell her, okay?
I don't know, but I like it.
You don't know what it is?
Can I tell her when she's done?
Spice, some sort of spice.
I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna
Oh,
tell
Korean.
You.
What is it?
I'll tell you.
Oh,
Black
it's a
pepper.
little spice. Okay,
Black pepper. Black pepper.
I was gonna say it's a
My
little
turn.
spice. Wow,
My turn.
I couldn't tell, but it was good. ይሄኛው black pepper ነው. ቆንጆ በርበሬ.
White and yellow.
White and yellow.
ቆንጆ በርበሬ. I love it.
Could be two different things.
What
Go
is
for
it?
it.
What is it?
I'm not telling you.
What?
Makes
So far, I like the dirt. Yeah, aferu. What is it? You can't tell?
Just
So-
red.
It's either
He's like, tastes bad. I thought it was yellow.
One strawberry.
either rotten egg or earwax.
I ate it.
Or earwax.
I ate whatever
My
it was.
God, you're really good, Bob.
I don't want the rotten egg again. That was the worst easily.
Try that one.
Have go. What do you got?
That's blue.
Blue?
light blue.
I did 3 good ones.
Good.
I did.
Soap.
Huh?
Soap?
again.
I don't know. I got soap
Wow.
and throw up
I can smell it from here.
and also rotten egg.
I'm going with like a
Or-
white, light yellow. I'm hoping it's not the rotten egg again.
I hope it is.
And I'm hoping it's
I'm gonna get more.
try colors we
Bad.
haven't tried.
I think I tried everything. Oh, okay.
No.
Let's do the light blue.
Let me
No,
try this.
light green with the little.
We haven't done this. We haven't
Light
done
green.
this. We haven't done this.
Okay.
I'm the only one who has it.
Let's watch. It's mom's turn. It's mom's turn.
I'm gonna
It's
do
mom's
this.
turn.
Oh God, help me. What?
It's from your ear, Mama. It's buggers. It's buggers.
You got boogers in your ears?
Oh,
I'm gonna try this one.
that was
Haven't tried
bad.
that one yet?
That was bad. ይሄ ከነፍጣችን የሚወጣ የለም የሚደርቀው እሱን ነው። ቴስቱ እሱን ነው የሚለው። Woo! Ooh.
I can't read that.
Who
This
made?
is good.
I just want to know who made this.
I know that's what I'm
This
saying.
is
What does that say?
ridiculous.
I can't even read it.
What is
This
this?
is good.
This one?
Yeah. It's too
Just
tiny.
like chocolate.
Banana. No, no, kind of.
What
Okay.
is it?
Oh.
What?
It lives in
It tastes like a sweet potato.
it lives in the dirt.
Really? Worm?
Yes!
It tastes like sweet potato.
Which one was it?
It's one.
That
I
one.
haven't had the worm yet either. I
And
know
then
that's a
now-
worm.
አፈር ውስጥ
My turn. My
አፈር ውስጥ
turn.
የሚኖሩት ትላትሎች
My turn.
ትንሾቹ
I'm gonna do this
አፈር
one.
የሚያዳብሩት
It kind of looks like a worm.
ግን it tastes good. It tastes like ስኳር
I'm
ነች ስኳር
gonna
ነች
do
ነው
this
የሚለው።
one. I'm gonna eat the worm. What is it?
Okay.
I think that's the worm.
What do you have to say, Tanda?
It tastes like a sweet potato to me.
No, that's a pepper again.
Heavily have a different one.
No, there's dirt. I got dirt.
Me too.
Dirt. All right. I like the dirt
It
one.
tastes good. It tastes good.
You don't like the dirt one?
I
You
like
eat
the
the
dirt.
raw egg.
The
You
rotten
eat
egg? I didn't.
What did you eat? Something bad.
The soap. That's all I've eaten.
God.
That was bad soap.
I ate the dirt.
I'd take soap right now in a minute.
I didn't taste
Matter of fact, let me clean this mouth out. Does anybody have like a brown one?
I did already.
I do.
The dirt.
No, that.
Oh, that one?
The dirt was the dark brown. This is like
That
a
one?
light brown.
Oh,
This one.
I only have
No,
the light
that's the
brown.
dirt.
I did the dirt one.
I think
That
this
color.
one. Or have the
We're gonna take it.
Cheers.
Okay, we're gonna take it as a family, and we're gonna end this video. Ready?
Cheers.
Cheers! Happy Father's
Happy-
Day!
Happy Father's Day.
Oh, God.
Go, go.
Marshmallow.
What is it?
Marshmallow.
That's not a marshmallow, but it doesn't taste like what it says it is.
What is it?
I thought it was supposed to be earwax.
It tastes good.
I wouldn't say good, but it doesn't taste.
It
I
tastes
ate
just.
it too.
It tastes fine. Happy Father's Day!